Imagine walking down a city street lined with beautiful, mature trees. Every tree looks the same species, the same size, the same canopy shape. At first, this might seem ideal. Uniform trees create a consistent and attractive streetscape. But from an urban forestry perspective, this situation can be extremely risky. Urban forests made up of only a few species are vulnerable to catastrophic loss. History provides several powerful examples. In the early 20th century, many cities across North America planted large numbers of American elm trees along their streets. These trees formed beautiful arching canopies that shaded entire neighborhoods. But the lack of diversity created a major problem. When Dutch elm disease spread across the continent in the mid-1900s, millions of elm trees died. Entire streets that once had continuous shade suddenly lost their canopy. Some cities lost more than 70% of their urban trees. A similar situation occurred more recently with the spread of the emerald ash borer, an invasive insect that attacks ash trees. Communities that had planted large numbers of ash trees experienced widespread tree loss once the pest arrived. These events taught urban foresters an important lesson. Urban forests must be diverse in order to be resilient. One widely used guideline for maintaining diversity is called the 10-20-30 rule. This rule suggests that a city's tree population should include no more than 10% of a single species, no more than 20% of a single genus, no more than 30% of a single family. By spreading the tree population across many species and genera, cities reduce the risk that a single pest or disease will destroy large portions of the urban forest. Species diversity also provides other benefits. Different species tolerate different environmental conditions. Some trees are better adapted to drought. Others tolerate poor soil or air pollution more effectively. By planting a wide range of species, urban forests are better able to survive changing environmental conditions. Climate change makes diversity even more important. As temperatures increase and weather patterns shift, some species that once thrived in a region may struggle to survive. A diverse urban forest provides flexibility, allowing cities to gradually adapt to new environmental conditions. Urban foresters therefore carefully select tree species when designing planting programs. They consider factors such as climate tolerance, pest resistance, growth rate, mature size, and site conditions. The goal is to create a balanced, resilient urban forest capable of withstanding future challenges. Species diversity also contributes to visual variety and ecological complexity. Different species provide different habitats for birds, insects, and other wildlife. A diverse canopy supports a richer, urban ecosystem. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, remember that species diversity is essential for reducing vulnerability to pests and disease. The October 20-30 rule is commonly referenced in urban forestry as a guideline for maintaining healthy diversity within a tree population. Exam questions often test the idea that monocultures increase the risk of catastrophic loss. Today we explored why species diversity is essential for building resilient urban forests. A diverse tree population helps cities reduce pest vulnerability, adapt to environmental change, and support healthier ecosystems. But diversity alone does not tell us whether enough trees are being planted in a city. Urban foresters also need a way to measure how fully planted the urban forest is. In the next episode, we'll explore the concept of stocking levels and how cities identify new opportunities for tree planting. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.